Hey everyone, the AYANEO Flip 1 SDS redefines the expectations for handheld gaming devices by introducing a bold dual-screen design that expands what gamers can do on the go. More than just a portable console, it aims to be a multitasking powerhouse, allowing players to manage inventory, monitor live streams, or run secondary apps without interrupting gameplay. This fusion of functionality and innovation has generated buzz, but also invites scrutiny. Is this the future of handheld gaming, or an ambitious concept with too many compromises? From the outset, the Flip 1 SDS grabs attention with its compact clamshell form factor and dual display layout. The main 7-inch OLED screen stands out for its high-end specs. 1920 by 1080 resolution, 144 Hz refresh rate, 800 nits of brightness, and 150% sRGB color accuracy. It delivers vivid visuals, deep contrast, and ultra-smooth performance that elevates the experience of modern games. Beneath the primary display, a 4.5-inch secondary touchscreen allows for dynamic multitasking. Whether it's navigating menus, managing stream overlays, or communicating via chat apps, this lower screen offers genuine utility rather than gimmickry. Performance-wise, the Flip 1 SDS is built to impress. Depending on the configuration, it ships with either the AMD Ryzen 77840U or the more advanced Ryzen AYANEO 370 processor. Both options deliver serious horsepower with up to 12 cores and 24 threads, and a clock speed that tops out at 5.1 GHz. The integrated Radeon 890M GPU based on RDNA 3.5 architecture is one of the best iGPUs available, enabling modern 8AA titles to run with smooth frame rates and solid graphical fidelity. Add up to 64 gigs of LPDDR, 5X RAM, and a 2 TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, and you have a device capable of handling much more than just gaming. The ergonomics, however, present a more complex picture. The recessed D-pad and medium-sized TMR analog sticks are a design compromise driven by the need to maintain a slim profile and accommodate dual screens. While these controls remain usable and reasonably responsive, those with larger hands or particular grip preferences might find the layout less than ideal. That said, removable side grips provide a degree of personalization and comfort, and the inclusion of membrane-style microswitch buttons and Hall effect triggers helps maintain a premium tactile feel. Despite the impressive display and processing capabilities, the Flip 1 SDS's compact size imposes a serious limitation on battery life. Its 45 watt-hour battery can deliver up to 5 hours of usage at a modest 7 watt TDP, suitable for indie games or emulation. But when running demanding games at 28 watt, battery life drops sharply to about an hour. Port selection is solid for a handheld, with dual USB 4 ports, a micro SD card slot, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, allowing for ample expandability. Wireless connectivity also remains strong, thanks to the latest Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth standards. In the end, the AYANEO Flip 1 SDS is a compelling glimpse into what the future of portable gaming might look like. Its dual-screen design brings meaningful innovation, its hardware can rival mid-tier gaming laptops, and its aesthetics are undeniably appealing. But it's also a device defined by trade-offs. Battery life, ergonomics, and price may be sticking points for some, especially those seeking a straightforward pick-up-and-play experience. Still, for power users, streamers, or tech enthusiasts eager to push the boundaries of mobile gaming, the Flip 1 SDS is one of the most exciting devices in its class. It might not be for everyone, but it certainly marks a bold step forward in the evolution of handheld gaming. Thanks for watching. If you have any polls left, don't forget to ask them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.